In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a loan in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a clean, accurate loan account set up so your balance sheet reflects what you owe. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to the gear icon at the top right. This is your control center for settings and lists. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the master list of all the places your money can live or be tracked in QuickBooks: assets, income, expenses, and, in this case, liabilities. Inside the Chart of Accounts, we're going to create a new account specifically for your loan. Look to the top right and click New. This tells QuickBooks you're adding a fresh account rather than using an existing one. First, give the account a clear, descriptive name. You can use something like Loan Chain Lender or Equipment Loan 2020s. The goal is to make it obvious what this account represents, especially if you end up managing more than one loan. Next, set the account type to long-term liabilities. This category is used for debts you expect to pay off over more than 1 year. If your loan will be paid off within a year, that's typically considered a current liability, but for this setup, we're keeping it in long-term to match the most common scenario. If you're unsure, it's okay to confirm with your accountant later. For the detail type, choose Other Long-Term Liabilities. This tells QuickBooks it's a general long-term debt rather than something highly specialized. It won't change how your finances behave, but it helps keep your reporting consistent and organized. Now, enter the balance and the date. The balance should be the principal you currently owe, not including any upcoming interest. Use the date that matches the point in time you want your books to start reflecting this loan, often the start of your fiscal period or the date on your most recent loan statement. Getting this right helps your reports tie out and prevents double counting later. When everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will add the loan to your chart of accounts, and you'll be able to see it on your balance sheet under Liabilities. From here, when you record loan payments in the future, you'll be able to apply the principal portion to this account so the balance decreases accurately over time, while interest can be tracked separately as an expense. That's it. You've set up a loan in QuickBooks Online in just a few clicks, with clear naming, the correct account type, and a proper starting balance and date.